So now that we know what mount points are, let's talk about the common mount points on Linux. Obviously, the first one is /root. That is where we hold all our operating system. Root is obviously the very beginning of the file hierarchy. We could look at our file system like a tree, and root is the very start of that tree. So what are the different mounts and what are they used for? Well, you don't need to know all of them, but there are about 5 or so that you definitely need to have locked in your brain. Let's go over them. The first is /boot or /boot/EFI if you're using an EFI-based Linux install. Basically, this holds the boot installer info, so like grub. After /boot, there's /user, which you might think holds user files, but it actually holds system files. Now, I know what you're asking. Well, if user holds system files, what holds user files? That would be /home. And last but not least, you should know the var folder, right? Var can also be used as a place for logs. So oftentimes when you have applications that aren't working, check var. And last but not least, we need /mount, which is where we mount additional devices. It suggests you put newly added mounts underneath the /mount folder. And that's it. Those are the basic ones. Another one is /etc. /etc is where you go for your application config files.